Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with a Valentine's Day makeup look. As y'all could probably tell from my pretty pink eyes, y'all can also tell from the title, and from the title y'all also know that this is a collaboration. I'm collaborating again with Nerdy Girl Makeup and Makeup by Marisol. I absolutely love both of their channels. These two girls are super talented, so make sure that you go down in the description box after you watch this video and check out their videos, and also go through their channels because they are, like I said, very talented in what they do as far as makeup, and they have high quality content. So if you like videos like this, then you definitely want to check their channels out as well. So you guys, literally I had went through Pinterest and went through Google Images trying to figure out what I was going to do for this video, and I ended up just winging it. So what y'all see filmed, like this tutorial that you see, is just me like just freestyling and coming up with something. So I wear my emotions on my face a lot. So y'all might see me looking like, what in the hell am I doing? But I do love the way that the look came out. There was a point while I was filming this where I was like, oh my gosh, let me wipe this off and start over, and I decided to just keep pressing forward, and I got this look. So if you like to see how I achieved this Valentine's Day makeup look, then stay tuned.
So I've already gone in with my MAC paint pot in the color Painterly all over my lid, and I set that with this white shade from my Morphe 350 palette. Now I'm going in with this light brown shade also from my Morphe palette, and that is going to be my transition shade for today. Now I'm going in with Urban from my Urban Decay electric palette, and that's going into my crease but on the outer half of it. And I'm just going to make sure that I blend that in a circular motion because it is a very pigmented purple, and I want it to still be soft since this is a Valentine's Day look. Next, I'm going in with my two Makeup Forever red shades. One is a bright red, one is the really deep red. And I really didn't want either of them exactly. I wanted something in between. So I decided to take them both, mix them, and then finish my crease off with that. So I'm just going in through the rest of my crease and packing those reds on. Now I'm going back in with my MAC paint pot in the color Painterly, and I'm just carving out, I want to say about 2/3 of my lid. I didn't do the full lid because the outside portion is not going to need any paint pot on there. And now I'm taking the color Savage, which is from my Urban Decay electric palette, and packing that right on the center of my lids. Now I'm taking this gold and this kind of champagne color, mixing them together and putting that on the inner third of my lid, and also making sure that blends in with the pink. And next I'm going in with the deepest red by itself, and I am going on the outer third of my lid and making sure that blends in with the pink as well. So in order to tie everything together, I ended up dragging that red mixed with the purple up through the crease, and that kind of tied everything together. So then I decided to take this eye glitter. I believe it's by L'Oreal. I'm going to leave the product down in the description box for sure. But I decided to just take this and line the first part of my crease with that, and it came out very pretty. And I ended up doing my liquid liner next because I was very unsure of this eye look and wanted to see what it was going to look like when it was all completed. And I ended up liking it, so then I decided to just go ahead and move on. So now I am just going to correct my dark spots with my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Dark Spot Corrector. And now I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in the color 9.75 to go all over my face. I kind of skip over underneath my eyes because I've been using a different technique to apply my foundation. Now I go in with all of the main portions with my Urban Decay, and then I go in like underneath my eyes with my Fenty Beauty, and this is the color 350. It's almost like I am doing my concealer with foundation, but then I go back and do the concealer as well. So I'm going to go back and do my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige, in all the places that I normally conceal. So middle of forehead, down the middle of my nose, and underneath my eyes. And I don't do that big triangle underneath my eyes anymore. I just do a short one. And I'm just going to blend that out with the same beauty blender. I find that using the same beauty blender with the product that I used for my foundation on it helps to blend out everything much easier. So now I'm just going to quickly contour my face. I'm using my NYX Contour and Highlight Palette. And I'm going to line my lower lash line with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Putting on a little bit of mascara. This is the Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. And I'm going to go ahead and set my face. So I'm going in lining my lips with True Brown K from Kylie Cosmetics. And then two of my lovely clients got me these next lippies, Zamaya and Denasia. Thank you so much. The first lippy I'm using is Nicki's Nude all over my lips. And then in the center of my lips, I'm using the Pinkprint. And these are from the Nicki Nude Matte collection. I'm going all over that with my MAC lip glass. And that's just going to give my lips a nice, plump, sexy look. And then last but not least, I'm going in with my highlight, which is Ballerina from Laura Geller. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said before, this is not what I expected it to be, but it still came out gorgeous. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you recreate this look, make sure that you tag me on Instagram at @Iam_Netta Monroe. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.